Hello, fellow nerds. This is John, and I am a Nerdthatknits. I have started this tradition with myself that if I have friends or family or someone that's close to me that gets married, I always offer them a wedding shawl. A wedding shawl is very dependent on the person. Some people like them really simple, some people like them really glam. I am a lace person, so most of my shawls are very lacy. More lace the better, I say, but some people like some very simplistic shawls. But we're talking about people that are not brides. I'm talking about maybe bridesmaids or maybe bridal guests. This is a shawl that you can make for anyone and it will look classy and it has a really nice function. Stay with us as we make a wedding shawl that's not a typical wedding shawl. So what do I mean by wedding shawls? Some of them are very intricate. You can find them on Ravelry. They're just basically a lace shawl, but some of them are very simplistic and they're very elegant. It just depends on your style. Some people have boleros. Some people just don't, they don't even bother with it. So it just really depends on the bride. I always give people an option if they want something. They don't have to wear it on their wedding day, but they can just have it as like, this was a gift. A lot of the shawls that I make, like I said, are very lacy detailed, but we're talking about people that are not brides. I'm talking about maybe bridesmaids or maybe bridal guests. This is a shawl that you can make for anyone and it will look classy and it has a really nice function. Living in the Pacific Northwest, it's cold. And I've been to a lot of weddings that are on the beach, on the water. And if you don't know the Pacific Northwest, it's not like we're going to a beach where there's sun and it's warm. No, I've been to a wedding in September by water and oh my God, did I freeze. There's a lot of other weddings I've been to that have been like on a forest glade, on a mountain, all these beautiful locations, but what do they have in common? They're all freaking cold. So this is when a nice wedding shawl, whether it be for the bride, for a guest, for a bridesmaid, is like muy importante. So the shawl that I want to talk about today is the Wrap Me Up sweater scarf. So this was created by Knititude Chantal Miyakishima. I think I pronounced that right. I'm not 100% sure. Sorry. What do I like about this sweater? Well, it's super long. And you'll see what I'm talking about when we knit it up together. It took me a long time. This was a back burner. I started making this in December. I had other projects going on. It was just a long-term project. Also, really wanted to have a kind of an illusion with this shawl. For this one, it's a DK weight, but I took a fingering weight and then I took a mohair and I combined it because I kind of wanted to give it this really soft, like pretty, like, ethereal kind of look to it. Because, if it's a wedding shawl, you kind of want that. But I will tell you, because that mohair, it's very warm. About this project, like I said, it's very easy. I wouldn't say it's quick, but it could be quick. I just decided to put mine on the back burner. But definitely you can just watch TV and make this. It's pretty easy. It's not a hard thing to do. There's not too many skills that are required to make it. It's not like a lace shawl where lace can be very unpredictable. In a good way and a bad way. So, but this is just a perfect project and you can wear it anywhere. Stay with me as we make the Wrap Up sweater scarf for anyone. So I really hope that you liked the icy blue wrap sweater shawl. Like I said, it is so fun to knit, and it's really fun to wear, to kind of like come up with poses and kind of like play around with it. If you end up making the project, please send me pictures. I'm curious to see what colors you chose, what yarns you decided to use, and what projects you were really moved and to be inspired to make. So, because that's my goal. I want people to be inspired to knit. I don't want you to be afraid of knitting. I don't want you to think, oh, I'm not good enough. I don't have the skill set for it. It all comes with time. So please like, comment, and subscribe.